Recording? Alright. This is Dr. Richard Pepper and Dr. Colin Pibb. With us is General Mills, and we are about to begin the autopsy on the unidentified life form found in crash site 51 in Roswell, New Mexico. The life form is roughly 1.5 meters in length, 89 pounds, 7 ounces, and has a cranial circumference of 45 centimeters. Dr. Pibb, if you will begin the initial incision.
Beginning initial incision.
We are cutting into the alien life form's torso.
The creature has a very sponge-like sort of tissue.
We are nearing the stomach.